SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, or so they sort of thought. SLP sort of countenances opposition at $0.003 in a genuinely significant manner. Smooth love mixture in every practical sense is by and by esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the fundamentally bears in a real sense has been laid out at $0.003. 25 October 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through truly smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part sought clarification on some things, facts, what sort of is transient cost expectation for genuinely smooth love elixir, in every practical sense, is SLP an essentially wise venture, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love elixir support and obstruction levels and so forth, which certainly is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping kind of profound into the SLP specialized examination, for the most part allowed us basically to discuss the sort of current economic situations in a kind of enormous manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,266,797,359,948, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $53,871,161,058 in an extremely significant manner. Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which for the most part is very huge. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time span, which by and large shows that market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,266,797,359,948, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.27 and as of now exchanging at 56 cents, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so the essentially complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $53,871,161,058, or so they really thought. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a truly descending course for especially present moment, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, a genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82%, which basically is genuinely critical. Smooth love elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, so essentially smooth love mixture support and opposition levels, and so on, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Support especially is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become in every practical sense all the more especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they truly thought. Similarly, opposition essentially is a level at which vendors in every practical sense move exceptionally dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is genuinely critical. Following most certainly are the help and opposition levels of fundamentally smooth love elixir, SLP, most certainly smooth love mixture execution. The kind of day-to-day diagram of pretty smooth love mixture in a real sense shows that the SLP cost essentially has an especially descending development with a 1.18% decline in kind of beyond 24 hours. Pretty further appearance how really smooth love elixir support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they sort of thought. The value worth of the kind of smooth love mixture, SLP, coin especially is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, by and large further appearance how similarly. Obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers really become move essentially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly is genuinely huge. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume by and large is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars in a very significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for 25 October 2023, inside a very everyday time span, commonly made sense of underneath, exhibiting how all things considered, Smooth Love Mixture Value Investigation SLP Cost Investigation for 25 October 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time span, really made sense of beneath, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the in every practical sense, smooth love mixture. Which truly is very critical. The truly relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 34, showing how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the SLP specialized examination, for the most part allowed us generally to discuss the ongoing economic situations in a kind of significant manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,266,797,359,948 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Elixir financial backers need to in a real sense hang tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day diagram, which explicitly shows that similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which merchants essentially become move genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought. While SLP's Williams %R marker is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange truly signal for the most part is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that the MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, showing that market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,266,797,359,948 in a fundamentally significant manner. As per the customary turn, the significant quick obstruction for SLP may be truly found at $0.003, basically followed by $0.004.